Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are making a rosemary water that can promote hair growth. So watch it to the end because I will be adding a secret ingredient at the end. First we are going to start by boiling some water. While the water is boiling, I'm going to be washing my rosemary. I always make sure to wash all my vegetables or anything that I will be using. The water is not boiling yet, but I don't want to wait, so I'm just going to put the rosemary leaves inside this water. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider subscribing to our channel for similar content. Now I'm just going to mix it a little bit and let it boil. Once the water starts boiling, I'm going to check on my rosemary water. As you can see, the water is green. That means all the good ingredient from the rosemary leaf has been transferred into this water. Now I'm going to let it cool off for a few minutes before I use it. Now that my rosemary water is not too hot, I'm going to transfer this into an applicator bottle. There are a few benefits for using rosemary on our hair. Rosemary water can promote hair growth. It can also reduce dandruff and also help with itchy scalp. To make this water more effective, I'm going to add few drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil helps slow down hair loss. So the mixture of rosemary water and peppermint oil is good for a hair growth journey. There are a few ways I use this rosemary water. Sometimes I use it as a pre-poo or as a detangling before I wash my daughter's hair. Sometimes I use it when I want to moisturize her hair during the week. I would spray this on her hair, then I will put the leave-in conditioner and some oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to show you or teach you something. If I was, please consider pressing the like button. Share this video with someone that you know that will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.